Hi, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to draw the penguins from Mario. We're going to start off with his head. It's just going to be a big oval in the center of the page, maybe a little higher. So we're going to draw in a pretty decent sized oval shape. Like so. And once you're done with the oval shape, let's draw in the eyes. We're going to start off with the big eye on the left right here. And then a circle for the inside iris and a little highlight. Once you're done with that, let's color in the eye. And let's draw in the other eye. The other eye is going to be a little bit on the side of the head. We're drawing right here. And then color in the eye. With the eyes done, let's just draw in the mouth. The mouth is going to be, or the beak I'm going to say, because it's penguin. We're going to start in the center. Go out. Left, down. Up. And connect. And then to finish the beak, it's going to be a pretty easy little detail. Like so. And then just 2 nostrils. With the head done, let's move over to the body. The body is going to start right around the eye, right here. We're going to go out and back up to connect. And we're going to go out, U shape, and go back out, and go back up to the neck area to connect. And once you're done with that, we need the little other wing. Let's split it just a little bit, like so. And then he has a little white belly, so we're going to add room for that by separating it. And finally, the web foot, which is just going to be these 3 toes on the bottom. And that's it. That's your penguin from Mario drawing. Let's add some color real quick. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see any other drawings, please leave it in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.